job today in Miranda for a MyNetFone customer. Basically, they've been having lots of dropouts on the line. They've called MyNetFone. Apparently, they sent somebody out to take a look. Oh no, they haven't sent anybody out to take a look, sorry. But they've just done some tests on there, and they basically told the customer they need to get somebody like us to come out and make a report and work out what's going on. So we've come out here today to work out what's going on. Basically, the customer had multiple leading cables coming in, but the other ones were obviously faulty from previously. So this one had been installed at some stage in the last few years, but there is no internal cabling on it. As you can see, it's just a leading cable popping out, and then there was a socket directly on the end of it. So I've removed the socket to run some tests on the line. So I've got the DSL tester here, and it's testing okay. It's testing excellent, actually. But if we look down here, for line attenuation, upload and download, it was 31.5. If we come down here to my little chart that we've got here, it's saying it should be in a very good range, but he's only getting, we got here, 256 kilobits a second and 1.4 megabits a second. So and then if you look at that there again in the charts that we give to our customers, you can see he's roughly about 2 Ks from the exchange, 2.5 Ks from the exchange. So realistically, he should be getting roughly around about 12, 13 megabits a second, but he's not. He's only getting the 1.472 kilobits, which is about 1.4 megabits. So this is definitely a network issue. The line's testing good, so I don't know whether it's just they've got some block on it at the exchange or something like that, but he should be getting better speeds than this. So MyNetFone, this will be going back to you, and you're going to need to get somebody to come out here and sort this out for this customer. Thank you.